Welcome back. Restrictions on the presidency. Alright, so one is a very simple one. It's a constitutional amendment, the 22nd Amendment, which established a 2-term limit for the president. So no matter how much the public or the president might want to stick around for a third term, they are no longer allowed to do so because of the 22nd Amendment. So 2-term limit. Easy to remember, inspired by FDR, who was elected for 4 terms. So 1951, just a few years later, it was ratified. That can't happen anymore. All right, congressional oversight also serves to restrict the president. Congress can hold hearings and investigate the president. So they can require people within the executive branch to testify. They can attempt to make the president testify. Realistically, he probably wouldn't, unless he was absolutely forced to do so. Like Bill Clinton with facing impeachment. But the idea here is that they investigate, they try to ensure that the executive branch is doing what Congress wants them to do. So this is a very powerful tool that Congress has. They can also impeach the president. And so the word impeachment, what it means is indictment. So to be impeached means to be indicted, which what that word means is to be charged. So if you are impeached, it does not mean you are removed. So Bill Clinton, left-hand side, Bill Clinton was impeached. That means he was charged with obstruction of justice and perjury. However, the Senate now holds the trial. So the House of Representatives, they do the impeaching. Simple majority, so more than 50%, means that he'll be impeached. That means he's charged. Then it moves over to the Senate, and they hold the trial. And it requires 2/3 to remove the president from office. Bill Clinton was not removed from office because that 2/3 vote is very difficult, and it didn't happen, obviously, in this case. So you can be impeached without being removed. And by the way, the only penalty if he was convicted or removed from office is exactly that. He would be removed from office. There is no jail time or anything like that. They're not a court. They can simply remove him from office. All right, remember, subscribe, hit that like button. This has been a La Money production.